Happy New Year! We had a very bad experience near to Phantom Rock from the local Crusher and Cory Mafia. Welcome back to Wayanad Blog. We are going today to a very ancient place near to Kalpata, Edakal Caves.
And let me tell you a fact of Edakal Caves.
Yeah.
Edaki means between and Kal means rocks. So that means between rocks.
Alright, so we are starting now. January 1st, 2021. The first trip we are going back to the Stone Age. It is 25 kilometers from Kalpata and it will take around 40-45 minutes to reach there. Time is around 8 am. On the way, we stopped near to a tea plantation in Mepadi. We walked around, enjoyed the greenery, clicked some beautiful pics, and continued our journey. Walking through tea estate near to Mepadi. Very nice place. We reached Amblavale. This is Sacred Heart Church in Amblavale. Time is 8:30 now. A break for our breakfast. This is a new restaurant opened today. Dosa Kada. We had very delicious dosa from here and now continuing towards Edakal Caves. We reached in the parking area, paid the parking fee, parked the car, and now walking towards the entrance. Edakal Caves is in Ambugutti Hills, situated around 13 kilometers from Sultan Batheri and 25 kilometers from Kalpata town. We need to trek up these majestic Ambugutti Hills to reach Edakal Caves.
Want to learn more about the Stone Age.
After parking your vehicle, you have to walk and trek to reach the ticket counter. Till the ticket counter, you can see small shops selling local items like honey, bamboo rice, wooden carvings, etc.
12 free cinema.
നീ ഇവിടെ ഞങ്ങൾ
Super son. Even I tried few of the medicines for cold.
Right? Of course! My legs are on fire!
We are approaching the ticket counter. I will take the ticket and we'll enter inside. We took 20 minutes to reach the ticket counter. Edakal Caves are protected monument under Archaeological Department, running by Wayanad District Tourism Promotion Council. We paid the entrance fees. Now continuing our trekking.
Ouch! We are not coming here ever again.
Now we are in the world famous Edakal Cave near to Amblavile town in Wayanad district. We need to go through these caves before reaching to the top main caves. Some more steps to climb. Let's continue.
Okay. Okie dokie. Hello? Come on, dudes.
almost reach on the top. Behind you can see this is Ambugutti Mala. But government is strictly prohibited the trekking to that hill. You can see behind. Now we are entering the Edekal caves. Edekal caves are believed to be camping shelters of the Neolithical community. The cave walls contain a collection of Neolithic rock carvings and images. The caves were discovered by Fred Fawcett in 1896. He was a superintendent of police in Malabar district. These are not technically caves, rather a cliff of rocks, believed to be formed as a result of an earthquake, and the name is derived from the rock that is supported in between other larger rocks. These rock carvings are at least 6,000 years old. Time is 10:30 now. After spending some time here, we are climbing down. If you are a person who love walking, trekking on steep hills, and likes to adventure by climbing on rocks and narrow path, then you will enjoy the trip to Edekal Caves for sure.
ഇത് നടുവേദന, കാലുവേദന, നമ്മുടെ കൈവേദനയ്ക്കൊക്കെ ഏറ്റവും ഫസ്റ്റ് തൈലം ഇത് നമ്മുടെ എരുമാട് മുത്തമാട് തൈലം.
Shoot it.
Shoot.
Alright. Okay.
Pull.
Okay.
Do it.
Wait.
I will show more places in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Corey and Crusher Mafia, a local person near to the Phantom Rock, started attacking us. We lodged a complaint against this person in the nearest police station, Amblavile.